Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, or good evening, or good night, as the case may be, you're welcome to our live class. This is the time we agreed to meet every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. So wherever you are and you are supposed to be in this class, you do well to join the class right now so we can begin this class. This is exactly the time when we need to be in the class. So where are you? Channel members are expected to be here by now. Clement Emehe, you're welcome to class. We expect other channel members to be here. And if you are seeing me now and you intend to learn with us, in a live setting like this, it's very simple. You need to join our channel membership to be able to join our live classes. Go straight to our homepage, and then you see the channel name. Beside it, you see the join button on the black round button like that. You hit join, and then join, do the payment, and join our live classes. If you join the channel members or membership, you have so many things to gain. Live class every Saturday, free ebook every month, and other personal assistance you might need. So you do well to join our channel membership so you can get a whole lot of benefits. Do that today. You'll be glad you did. Mr. Emehe, you are welcome to class. And we expect others to join immediately. So just keep to time. Okay. Ụtụtụ ọma. Okay. Ehihie ọma. For me here is ehihie ọma. I don't know your time over there. Maybe it's ụtụtụ ọma. I think it should be ụtụtụ in America. It should be morning over there. Where are the rest people? Where is Chika and the rest of our channel members? Let's come to class so we can do this together. Kebununo. The Igbo tutor is live. Let's come to class now. I want to believe I'm audible enough. Mr. Emehe, am I audible enough? Can you hear me loud and clear? Please confirm that I'm audible enough while we wait for others to join up. Confirm that I'm audible. Can you hear me very clearly, Mr. Emehe? Just confirm you can hear me very well. Yes, do that now while we wait for others to join up. Okay, okay, it's not Gent, it's Anamano. Okay, Gent is listening. I'm hearing is Anam. Okay, Anamanogi. Anamanogi, I'm hearing you. Anam Anogi, I'm hearing you. Gent is listen. Okay, I hope that is clear. I'm hearing you, and I'm Anogi. So where are the rest members of this class? Some of them missed class last week because I didn't post the link to our groups, so they couldn't see when we are live on YouTube, or they couldn't get the notification, or they didn't know that they will be notified if they are on YouTube. Once they get to YouTube, they will get notification sent to them via the YouTube message. They will get notification. YouTube notification will be sent to them, but they don't pay attention to those things. So that's why I have to go the extra mile to send, channel. I mean, a live link, a class link to our groups, so that anyone that stumbles on that can easily click on it and join. So somebody like Dr. Blahi complained last week. He didn't know when the class was held. He couldn't get the notification or link. So I hope you will be here today. Where are the rest? Chika, where are you? So I'm waiting for you guys to join up. We have only Mr. Meher in class. Where are the rest members of this class? The earlier we join, the better for us, so we can keep to our time of 1 hour. We don't intend to extend that period. Last week, we did general sentences and conversation, and that is what we intend to continue today. We need to do general conversation as whatever comes to our mind. We talk about it and see how we understand general conversation on daily use words. Okay, so that's what we're going to continue to do today as our members come on board. So where are the members? Where are they? Only Mr. Mehe is here. Where are the rest people? Join up and let's do this together. The Igbo tutor is live. And if you're seeing me now, you intend to join our live class, join our channel membership. That is the only way you can gain access to our live classes. Very important, including other benefits. Okay, Mr. Mehe, did you get what I wrote? The correction I made? Is it clear? Did you get it? Concerning, I'm hearing you. Did you get the correction? Is it clear enough? Anama nogi. Anama nogi. I'm hearing you. Where are our people? Where are our people? Where are they? Mr. Mehe, did you get my correction on I'm hearing you? Did you get it? Yes. Where are the people? I hope you are hearing me. You are not responding to my question. Mazi Mehe, Clement. You are not responding to my question. You didn't respond. Anama Nogi. All right. That's a confirmation that you are hearing me loud and clear. Where are the people? What is going on? Where are they not? Why are they not here? My duty and commitment is to be here as at the agreed time. Yours is to be here available, and let's learn together. And I'm trying to make sure I keep to mind. So where are the people? Okay. Let me start conversation with you that is here. Okay. In case for those who are going to, watch this later, we don't need to keep them waiting for long. So let's begin conversation right away. Hoping that others will join as we move on. We begin now. Okay, I will ask you a question. I will say something. I will expect you to respond to show that you understood what I said clearly. We begin now. Kee ka ị mere, Maazị Clement? Kee ka ị mere? Respond to this my question. Maazị Clement, kee ka ị mere? Respond to this my question now. Maazị Clement, kee ka ị mere? Yes. Waiting for your response. Waiting for your response. Maazị Clement, kee ka ị mere? I think our home network is not holding us down. Respond to this question. Maazị Clement, kee ka ị mere? Okay. Adị mma, excellent. Adị mma, excellent. Adị mma. Ị gara ọrụ taa? Ị gara ọrụ taa? Is a question also. Ị gara ọrụ taa? Sorry. Ị gara ọrụ taa? I'm waiting for your answer. Respond to that, my question. Respond to that, my question. Ị gara ọrụ taa? Yes, waiting for you. Maazị Emehe, you have not responded to my question. Asị m, ị gara ọrụ taa? I believe you are hearing me. Why have you not responded? I asked you a question. Ị gara ọrụ taa? Okay, you said mba, agaghị alụ tata. Okay, you tried, but not very perfect. Not very perfect, so I have to correct you. Mba, it should be comma. Agaghị m, the M should be there. Agaghị m ọrụ. Okay, if you want to use tata or ta, that's not a problem. This is what it should be. Mba, agaghị m ọrụ tata or agaghị m ọrụ ta. That is what it should be. No, I didn't go to work today. Mba, agaghị m ọrụ ta or tata, as the case may be. Is that okay? Okay, the next question. Gịnị mere ị gaghị ọrụ? Gịnị mere na ị gaghị ọrụ? Gịnị mere na ị gaghị ọrụ? Yes. Gịnị mere na ị gaghị ọrụ? Yes. Gịnị mere na ị gaghị ọrụ? Gịnị mere na ị gaghị ọrụ? Okay, waiting for your response. Waiting for your response. Today you have all the class for yourself. So we cannot waste the hour. We have to utilize it. Okay. If anybody comes around, you will meet us wherever we are. We cannot waste time. Gịnị mere na ị gaghị ọrụ? If you understand my question, you respond. If you don't understand my question, you say, you let me know you don't understand my question so I can explain. Gịnị mere na ị gaghị ọrụ? Gịnị mere na ị gaghị ọrụ? A ga-arụ ọrụ n'ụlọ. Okay. I think you are saying you are working at home. Is that what you mean? Do you mean you are working at home? Okay, I will work at home. Okay, I will work at home. Okay, you tried, but not very perfect. Okay, okay, you are not putting me there. That I, you didn't capture it in your sentence. I will work. That I is missing your sentence. But let me see how to amend it. Agam. That M is the I there. Agamaru. Agamalu ọrụ. Agamalu ọrụ. N'ụlọ. This is preposition. So you don't write the N in full. You don't write it in full. N would come on top. Then other things will follow. So it shouldn't be written in full. Agam alụ ọrụ n'ụlọ. This is what it should be. Agam alụ ọrụ n'ụlọ. I will work at home. So in your sentence, I is missing there, which is M. Agam. The M after ga is the I. Agam. Then alụ ọrụ, work. Okay. do work, alụ ọrụ n'ụlọ, at home. Okay, ọ dị mma, nsogbu adịghị, nsogbu adịghị. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Okay. Kee maka Amerịka taa. Kee maka obodo Amerịka taa. Kee maka obodo Amerịka taa. This is a question. Kee maka obodo Amerịka taa. Waiting for you. Kee maka obodo Amerịka taa. Ọchịachị na Trump. Is that what you wrote? Ọchịachị na Trump. Is that what you say? What do you wanted to say? Ọchịachị na Trump. What do you want to say? What do you mean? What do you really want to say? Is it Ọchịchị Trump? Or what do you want to say? Let me see how to amend it. What is your response? Kee maka obodo Amerịka taa. What did you say? I want to see how to amend it properly. Waiting for you. What did you really want to say? Yes, I'm waiting for you. What do you want to say? Write it in English. Let me understand that so that I can amend the sentence. I think network is holding us down. Waiting for you. What do you want to say? You wrote Ọchịachị na Trump. So it's not very clear what you wanted to say. All right. Ana m ọchịachị na onye isi ala. Still not very clear what you wanted to write. I would prefer you give me the English version so that I can see how to amend this sentence properly. Give me the English version of what you want to write. Let me amend your sentence properly, please. Can you do that? Is it that we are in Trump government? Is that what you want to say? Yeah, help me out so that I can see how to help you. Help me with the English version of your sentence. Can you do that now? I am laughing at our president. Okay, that's good. I'm laughing at our president. Very well. Okay. The sentence should be Ana m achị onyeisi obodo. He has to be our president. Ana m achị onyeisi obodo anyị ọchị. He has to be, I'm laughing at our president. I am laughing at our president. Okay? So it is, okay, I'm laughing at our president. Yes, that's what you wrote. Ana m achị onyeisi obodo anyị ọchị. You tried. You wrote, Ana m ọchị n'onye isi ala. Okay? Onye isi ala anyị is also correct. Is either onye isi obodo or onye isi ala. Both are correct. If you want to use onye isi ala, it will be ana m achị onye isi ala anyị ọchị. Ana m achị onye isi ala anyị ọchị. I'm laughing at our president. Okay? Ọ dị mma. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Is a question. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Confirm if you understand my question first before you attempt answering it. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Understand this question first before you attempt it. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Yes. Be sure you get the question. If you get the question correctly, say yes. Let me know you got my question. Anyway, your response will show me that. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? You said you are laughing at your president. And I ask you, gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Why are you laughing? Not just why are you laughing. Why are you laughing at him? Iji achị ya. That is him there. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Why are you laughing at him? Okay, that's good. At least you try. You try with your understanding a little bit, almost perfectly where you got me. So give me your response now. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Mm-hmm. Yes. Let me hear your response. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Let's go. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? Why are you laughing at him? Ngwanụ, 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 ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Gịnị mere iji achị ya ọchị? I don't really know what happened today. Why most of our students are not in class. I don't know why. I don't really know why. All the same, they will have to rewatch this on our homepage when it is uploaded. Ngwa, ana m eche gị o. Ana m eche gị. Ana m eche gị. I'm waiting for you. Ana m eche gị. Type it the way you can. Okay. Idebe make me akwa m. Okay. Idebe maka be akwa m. Idebe maka be akwa m. Oh, I can't get it. Can you give to keep? Is it from crying? Is it to keep from crying? Is that what you mean? Oh yeah, okay. To keep from crying. Okay, I get you. So you are laughing at him to keep from crying. You don't want to cry, so you rather laugh at him. Okay, okay, okay. Getting married at church. Why are you laughing at him? Okay, okay. Maka. igbochi, to prevent. Igbochi. Maka igbochi m ịkwa akwa or ibe akwa. Maka igbochi m ịkwa akwa or maka igbochi m ibe akwa. Maka igbochi m ịkwa akwa or maka igbochi m ibe akwa. Ọ dị mma, nsogbu adịghị. Biko ebela akwa o. Ebela akwa biko. Ebela akwa. Ka ebe ị nọ ugbu a. Ka ebe ị nọ ugbu a. Ka ebe ị nọ ugbu a. Yes. Ka ebe ị nọ ugbu a. I've asked you another question. Ka ebe ị nọ ugbu a. Respond to this question now. Ka ebe ị nọ ugbu a. Let's go. Ka ebe ị nọ ugbu a. Give me reply to that, my question. Ka ebe ị nọ ugbu a. Don't repeat what I've written. Just reply me. That will show me you understood what I said. Okay? Your answer will tell me whether you understood me or not. You wrote ina ulom. Ina ulom. Okay? I want to assume that what you wanted to write is I am in my house. I'm in my house. Is that what you mean? Is that what you mean, Mr. Mehe? I am in my house. Is that what you want to write? Is that your response? Okay, good. At least that guides me. At least one thing is clear. You understood my question very well. Okay? The next thing is your response. Dr. Blah, you are welcome to class. Okay? You're welcome to class. So you understood the question well. But I wanted you to write the answer, to reply me. So, Dr. Blahi, I wait for your own response. I wait for your own response. Kebi no Ubua, answer me in Igbo language. Write your answer in the chat, Dr. Blahi. I've gotten the answer for Mazi Clement. Let me have your own answer. Kebi no Ubua. Answer the question that is peculiar to you. Yes. I don't want uniform answer. You have to answer as it is peculiar to you. So, Dr. Blahi, I'm waiting for your response now. Okay, even though you came late, but all the same, it's better late than never. So we are waiting for your response. So okay, not your greeting. We appreciate your greeting, but answer this question quickly so that we can move to something else. The question is, KB no Ubua. You have written the question in English. Very fine. Give us your answer in Igbo. KB no Ubua. Yes, doctor. Ulom. Good effort. Good effort. Yeah, Clement, your second answer is very correct. Nulom. Okay. Dr. Blahin too tried. Ulom. Okay. But Clement's answer is more perfect. The reason is that no law is the preposition need to be there because we are talking about location. So that's why that no law should be there. I'm talking to Dr. Blahi now. Where you wrote anomolum, it's not completely wrong, but because we're talking about position, preposition, that's why we have to put nolom. Okay, Dr. Blahi, I believe you understand me now. That's why it had to be nulum, annum, nulum. That preposition has to be there. Is that clear, Dr. Blahi? I believe it is clear. Okay. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ụlọ gị ugbu a? Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ụlọ ugbu a? Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ụlọ ugbu a? Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ụlọ ugbu a? Let's go. Answer that question. Sir Clement, you have gotten a partner now. That's good. Thanks for your staying power. And it's good we continue that class without being discouraged. It's possible more people will join as we move on. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ụlọ ugbu a? Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ụlọ ugbu a? Yes, who is shooting first? Who is answering that question first now? You have to answer this question as it's peculiar to you, what you are doing. I don't expect the same answer from everybody. Your answer should be peculiar to you. Okay? Let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ụlọ ugbu a? Ngwanụ. Who is going first? Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ụlọ ugbu a? Who is giving us the answer first? Doctor or Mr. Clement? Doctor is in first. Doctor has answered. Mr. Clement, what are you saying? We've gotten Dr. Blahi's response, which is a very good effort. So let me have your response, Mr. Clement. Clement is in. Okay. A na-asụ Igbo na nkuzi na dọkịta. I hope I get what you wrote. I know a na-asụ Igbo. Dr. Blahi wrote, ana m na-ire iri. I want to believe Dr. means I am eating food. I want to believe that what Dr. means. I am eating food. Why Clement is saying, a na-asụ Igbo na nkuzi na